pour. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are again. Beautiful day. Cement's drying. I've got this little bit left. That's all. Look at this. 1 4-foot, 4-inch slab left to pour. I've had a pretty good run, 4 days in a row, just straight pouring cement, which is so taxing. And I don't know if my body's getting used to it. My mind is overpowering the situation, but it's great. So I'm excited to get this last bit of cement poured. So it's not gonna be an easy day though. Got to chonk out all this cement here, dig and clear that dirt. I'm gonna have to clear some space out of here. It's a little later in the day because it was 100 friggin' degrees out. So we had to get started a little bit later so I don't die. I'm ready to be done with this hard shit. Get on my headphones so you don't get copyrighted for any random music, podcasts, or Spanish language stuff that I'm listening to. Look at that. It's quicker than I thought. So they did a bunch of the prep work yesterday. It looks like it's actually going to work out. So it appears that the foundation down there has already been added to at some point when they were building this structure. This piece of wood has already been fashioned to it, which is kind of the exact distance I need, because I measured that 4 inches past where the wall just naturally stopped here. So I just measured 4 inches out so I can add 2x4s for the wall coming the other direction. And that 2x4 attached here with this extra concrete that was added just happens to be 4 distant from, see the gap between the wood and the foundation. The end of that wood is just a little bit over 4 inches. Not enough to make a difference, so I'm just gonna run a straight line from there, the end of my concrete. And this long ass 2x4 right here, it is just long enough to reach all the way across there. That's gonna keep me from having to really build extra center connection, which sometimes has play and it wouldn't be completely straight, because if this is where the front door is, you don't want this weird shaped lip coming out from the wall. So we're gonna get to digging, and then we'll just screw that bad boy into that 2x4. And we gets to pouring. So all you have to do is watch. So easy for you. I'm the one that has to work. Enjoy my hard labor, I guess. If you guys are getting some sort of weird fetish kick out of watching a grown man die of heat exhaustion and hard labor for absolutely no gain, there's probably gain to be had here. I'm building a workshop, which will inevitably help me in the future. I mean, I ain't getting money out of it. I ain't getting paid for it. So you guys are just weird. You're freaks. Okay, I gotta dig. Dug. Now I'm just trying to line up the wood here. Looks like this form here is going to be a bit too high, which is going to mean that it's not level. This is going to kind of bump that up too high. Maybe I got to cut a notch out of this. So I'm going to do some surgery with the Sawzall. Also this side here, I think I need to cut it a little short because there's kind of a lip and it's keeping me from putting the wood flush. So I'm gonna give it a little choppy. First I gotta give it a little choppy over here. So let's kind of mark how far out I want to go. Alright. And I'm just gonna cut it in half. That should do the trick. Maybe I can use this brick now to stabilize it. There we go. Sweet. Yeah, that's exactly what we need. I'm gonna chop it right there. Here we go. And now I'm gonna check level from here all the way down, fill in under that board a little bit. And I'm actually gonna keep this trench open because I want cement to kind of fill in down there. All right, I think that's as good as we're gonna get for now. It's getting late, so I gotta get pouring. Get to pouring. I don't need to get pouring. Gotta figure out the best place to put the machina. Oh no, I could probably use this angle here. We're ready to pour. Shit, last one. Uh-oh, been leaving too much cement in there. I gotta figure out a way to chip all that off one day. Looks like it's gonna be enough. Hoping not enough of it floats over to fill in the spots. I'm left with 3 bags of cement over there, so if I have any kind of under shortage, I can just mix a bag in the bucket. And we're gonna start leveling this thing out. We are almost done with cement. Yes. Holy I'm almost done. I'm happy with this. A couple dents here and there, don't care. Looks pretty good to me. Just gonna let it sit. This one I definitely have to come back through with the edger in an hour, two, maybe an hour. But I'm happy. Let it live, let it soak, let it harden, let it do what it has to do. Oh, this is exciting. It's like changed dramatically if I think about what it looked like when I started this project. Whoa, it's like really hitting me now. It's like there's an actual building here. Exciting to say the least. All right, I'm gonna watch how it sets for the rest of the day. Check back in a bit. Alrighty, it's had some time to dry. Sun's going down soon. Cash wants to play baseball. Can't do that right now, buddy. I've got to get this edger running across the front of this. Problem is, I'm worried he's going to creep up behind me and step on my cement. Buddy, come on. Come on. Ah, now it's covered in dirt. Buddy, here. Go, 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 go. Okay. Crazy dog. Oh. All right, buddy, you still waiting? Thanks for not stepping on the concrete. That's it for today, folks. And this guy got to play some ball. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Get it. Get it. Get it. Go, 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 go. Come back and check on the cement tomorrow. Cool off the frame and clean up back here a little bit. But I'm done. Done with the cement, and that's exciting. And I might take a couple of days off. I'll do that because I'm excited to see what it looks like, but take a couple of days off, do some editing and stuff like that. We call us a day, huh, buddy? Huh, buddy? Ready, ready, ready. Go, 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 go. Whoa, almost hit him in the head. All right, see you later.